Jeffrey 120 Frank Avenue. The way the 3-minute rule works is I ask a question, your answer does not count for my 3 minutes. So now here you go. Do you have any employees supervising a family member? How many of your personnel were dismissed due to inappropriate behavior with students within the past 2 years? How did you discipline a person on your support staff who made multiple inappropriate comments and showed up at a student's home unannounced? Is there a teacher whose sole function is to oversee students in the assigned to in-school suspension? Mike, can you explain those 2 invoices from the Long Island Party Police when no conflict of interest disclosure form was submitted to the district by you? Kathy Lively, what is your opinion on a person's privacy rights being invaded under false pretenses? How did you vote on that decision of whether or not to initiate to have me investigated by the FBI and the Nassau County Police? Number 8, to quote Dr. Stephen Cusin, if you knew now what you know then, would your decision have changed? Number 9, in other school districts on the website, the board members, they have a bio, the terms they served on the board, and their term limits. Is there a problem with Farmingdale doing that on their website to be more transparent, since you claim you're transparent? Number 10, there was FOILs put in since February that have not been answered. Reclaim New York is supposedly going to be addressing this like they addressed it with the town of Oyster Bay and Manhasset Public Schools. 3 minutes. Your answer does not count on my 3 minutes. If I ask one question and then you absorb that 3 minutes answering it, I still have more time to ask more questions. I'll recalculate what was said on that last video, and it's not the first time it was done. So you want to claim this game that you're transparent, but yet at the same time, you're playing a 3-minute game and being a stickler about it. You know, I say you propose it to be 5 minutes, since there's never really that many people that come up to the microphone and absorb your half hour. Did I use my 3 minutes up? Do I have any time left?
About 40 seconds.
40 seconds. What can I do with the 40 seconds? Do I have another question to ask? When is the next Facilities Advisory Committee? And when was the last Facilities Advisory Committee meeting? Thank you. It's 11 questions.
We'll deal with your questions in the next board meeting as part of old business.